In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert from any base to base 10. So before we begin, I want to remind you that any number in base 10, like 234 in base 10, can be written in this form. We read it 234, so 200 plus 30 plus 4, which means it can be written 2 times 100 plus 3 times 10 plus 4. So I'm writing using the digits that we have. Or 2 times 10 to the second plus 3 times 10 to the first plus 4 times 10 to 0. And the reason why we write it using these tens is because we have base 10. So we are going to follow the same pattern for other bases. So for example, 11 in base 5, or 1 actually, right, because it's not 11 anymore. 1 in base 5 can be written 1 times 5 to the first plus 1 times 5 to 0. So the reason why we use 5 to the first is because this number has only 2 digits. When our 234 had 3 digits, we started with 2 times 10 to the second, and then to the first and to 0. So we get 5 plus 1, which is 6 in base 10. So actually 6 in base 10, it's 1 in base 5. How about 313 in base 4? So this one looks very similar with 234 that we did in base 10. So in our case, we're going to have 3 times 4 to the second. Right, you see how here we had 2 times 10 to the second. Well, we don't have 10 anymore because our base is 4. So it's 3 times 4 to the second plus 1 times 4 to the first plus 3 times 4 to 0. So we get 3 times 16 plus 4 plus 3. That's 48 plus 7 is 55 in base 10.